Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monia and today we will be doing a peachy smoky eye just in time for the summer and spring because orange, shades of orange, 50 shades of orange is hot right now. Like, swoop. So with that, this is very light, fun colors. I haven't done this one before, so we're gonna be doing it together because we're all in this together, and you know who we are when we stand by each other. I'm mainly gonna be using Soft Glam today. I also have my Milk Highlighter Powder Quad. And in here is a perfect color, this orange. Oh, so pretty. So we're gonna use that somewhere, and even as highlighter. Woo. Can't waste this stuff, it's like liquid gold. Okay, so this is gonna be a fun light orange peachy look. With that, we're gonna get some highlighter to match it, and we are priming the lids right now. I'm gonna prime the lids with my one and only Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Okay, and we're gonna blend it out. So you can either go in with your finger or this fluffy M173. Next, we are gonna put the base color down. I'm gonna use just a big fluffy brush to get it all in there and just a bone color of some sort. In this case, I'm using Tempera. All right, perfect. Now, I'm gonna use the same fluffy brush because it's like nice and rough. So I'm gonna be able to kind of blend it in better, and it's smaller than my other one, so I'll have more precision. Best of both worlds. And I'm gonna go in with like a light orange, pale pastel orange, and I'm gonna start putting it in the crease. And now once you feel like you've built up the nice foundation for the crease, I'm also going to bring this color and place it on the outer and inner lid. We're going to leave the center of the lid alone, keep it with that bare bone color. And when we go back to polish off our look, we're going to take that Milk Makeup Orange highlighter from the Powder Quad, and we're going to tap it on the lid, and it's just going to bring it together. Bring that orange soda or the orange transition color of your choice and bring it and start kind of swishing it around on the inner lid, and go ahead and get it on the outer lid as well. We're gonna take a smaller blending brush. This is the E17. It's more dense, compact, softer on the edges, if you know what I'm saying. And we're gonna dip into Burnt Orange, which is a warmer toned orange. It has a slight brown tinge to it. And we're gonna just focus it really on that outer corner and then inner corner. And it's really just a touch to give it dimension. Lightly gloss over the top of the crease. We really want to be gentle here. Close the lid a little bit to really get in there, and then kind of bounce it around in the center of the lid. But we don't want to focus here too much. We don't want to deepen that. We really want to focus it on the outside of the crease. And then I'm going to go back in with that orange soda, or the M433. This is the main raspy brush I use to really bring that color on the lid. And I'm just going to go and ever so lightly blend that burnt orange into it. Make sure the transition shades are all cohesive. Wow, that's looking really pretty. And now we're gonna put on the center of the lid that little area of space that's bare right now. We're gonna go into this orange right here with our finger and dab it on the lid. Now we're gonna go and focus on the bottom lashes. So this is very quick and easy, girl. Bottom lashes, we're gonna go with a very, very small, compact blending brush, and this is the M562. Dip into orange soda and bring it down. Okay, and then we're gonna deepen it again with that burnt orange, and this is again on the outer edges. So a quarter way in, nothing too crazy. The small pencil brush, the E24, with that highlighting powder, the I believe this is, it comes in Mars. So if you have like the wet stick, definitely use that color. It's stunning. And we're just gonna put it on the corner of the eyes. And we're gonna put it in the brow bone. All right. And then you can either leave this like this, or you can do a nice thick liner. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with my, because I gotta, like, now that I have this, I need to go all in. I have my Tom Ford liquid eyeliner. Pray that it doesn't mess it up. Any felt tip eyeliner of your choice will do. And let's get that wing popping. All right, I'm gonna finish off my eyeliner off camera. I'll be right back with the liner done and then lashes, and we can assess. I'll be right back. See you in a bit. This is the final look. Oh, this is like giving me like creamsicle vibes. Yeah. A nice peachy orange, not orange, a peachy creamsicle eye makeup look. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I love it. It's so light. If you like it and you want to see more, please subscribe, like, and comment what you would want to see. Thanks for watching this video, and until next time. Thanks, guys. Deuces. Oh, cut. And this.